why does a parrot talk like a human? Here's why. You see, parrots aren't out here learning English or anything. They're just crazy good at copying sounds. They've got this brain setup called the core and shell system, which works kind of like our own speech center. And their voice box? It's called a syrinx. Way more flexible than ours. That's why they can mimic your laugh, your ringtone, even your annoying alarm clock. But here's the wild part. They don't do it for fun. They mimic to bond with their flock. And if you're their owner, you are the flock. So basically, when your parrot says, "I love you," it's literally trying to become one of the humans. Subscribe if you love parrots.